Welcome. If you want to get Skype on your Huawei P40 Pro that doesn't have the Google services, you can do this with transfer data from the second smartphone that has access to Google Play Store. And right here I'm going to open the application to transfer data, the phone clone, tap the new phone on your P40 Pro and the old phone on your second smartphone, select the old phone type. This is Huawei also, so right here we have to choose the Huawei. And right now we can scan the QR code to connect. Tap on the select all marker to unselect all of these things. Scroll down to enter the apps. And right here you have to find your Skype application. And here it is. So let's select, tap on the OK button, transfer, input your log method, and just wait until this application will be sent to your P40 Pro. And here it is. So right now we can tap on the finish, ignore, and we can enter Skype. And this is how it works. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.